Let's be honest, we're all a little naughty. And that's why I created the Naughty Roller. 6 knot blasting tools and 1 badass roller. And with over 200 different ways to use it, there's no knot that stands a chance. Here in the Naughty House, each member of the fam has a very special role. Starting with Mr. Naughty, Dent's 24-inch foam roller that takes care of all the big jobs. And you better bet your sassy glutes he sticks together when you're ready to roll. Don't you wish these magnets held your life together like it does the Naughty Roller? This thing doesn't come apart unless you want it to. Then you have Naughty's better half, a 24-inch half dome that provides stabilized stretching support. Inside, you have Lord Stick, Lord of the Legs, and Prince of the Pinpoints. He specializes in the finer things. Senior Smooth and Little Bump are perfect for the nooks and crannies. 3-inch Senior Smooth is perfect for your naughty shoulders, back, and hips. While 2-inch Little Bump has a bit of a foot fetish and perfect for the small areas of your feet. Miss Stretchy's a bit of an overachiever. Not only she give you one hell of a stretch, she brings the whole Naughty family along for the ride. Put her over your shoulder. Now you have both your hands for whatever life throws at you. With so many different tools on the market, it's hard to know what's best. Naughty has everything you need all in one convenient foam roller. Good luck schlepping all that around. Oh. Each one of these tools adds up real quick. The Naughty Roller saves you a bundle. Here. Don't know how to roll? No problem. We'll teach you. Along with your Kickstarter pledge, you'll become a part of the Naughty fam, with access to different tutorial videos and tips on how to release each and every naughty little muscle. Get your body alive, everything inside. Get with the Naughty family. Set your body free. Thank you so much for backing my Kickstarter. It means the world to me. It's been 3 years, 8 prototypes, and it's finally here. I can't wait for you to get your naughty little hands on it. It's gonna be the best foam roller you've ever used. Please share it with your friends, your trainer, your mom, your dad, whoever. I would really appreciate it. Thanks again.